My name is George John, which is studying in 12th standard St. Mary's HSS Mulangalli.
My name is Ashwin Conrad, studying in 12th standard St. Mary's HSS Mulangalli.
My name is Ivin T. Sadiq, studying in 12th standard in St. Mary's HSS Mulangalli.
So let's dive into the topic. First, we are presenting a bell and bell push wiring, which is commonly used in our homes. Let's see its working. Now, we have presented a two-way wiring or staircase wiring. This is also commonly used in our houses. Next is a one-way switch wiring, which is the normal wiring in our homes. Now we have presented a fan and its regulator. We can see that the regulator is regulating the voltage. Next we have presented a plug wiring, which is used in our homes. Next we have done master switch wiring, which is commonly used in our homes. Advantages of this wiring is we can control different lights or different outputs from one switch, like this. Here we can see that with one tap, here 5 bulbs are glowing. We can add more wiring to this if we need more outputs. Next we have done 1-1-3 switch wiring, which is also commonly used in our homes. With this wiring, we can operate a bulb from 3 floors. If I need to turn on this bulb from the first floor, I can just turn on the switch, and next I can turn on the switch from ground floor and also 3rd floor. Next wiring is go-down wiring, which is used in go-downs. Here we can see that when I switch on the first light in first room, it turns on, and when I go to the second room and it turns on the light, the first room's bulb turns off and second bulb turns on. When I switch on the bulb from the 3rd room, we can see that the first and second room automatically turns off. Now when I switch on the 4th room, the first, second, 3rd rooms turns off, and we can do it when we are going out from the godown. Next wiring is used in hospitals, which is used to pick the wattage of 2 bulbs in 2 rooms. With this, we are using a 2-way and 1-way combination for controlling the bulb's wattages. Next, we have done a hostel or variety of hospital wiring, which is also known as hotel wiring, which is used in hotel rooms to call attendants. Here we can see that when I push the bell push, the light turns on and the bell rings. At the time, attendants can come and attend you. Next, we have done a railway cross wiring, which is used in railway crosses. Here we can see that in a railway cross, the red light is for stop the train and the green light is for go indication. Next we have done a power socket wiring, which is used to operate heavy loaded power appliances. Next we have done a voltmeter and ampere meter wiring, which is used to know the appliance amperage and the AC running voltage. Here we can see that the voltage is now at 220 volt and amperage is showing at 0.1.